First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, third is superlative degree. Now here given some pictures about to understand what is degree of comparison. So first the read this here given this, read these sentences. It is hot in Dehradun. She said it is hot. The hot is highlight in green color, so which is represented degree of comparison. Now the second woman is talk about it is hotter in Delhi. Hotter. It is the hottest in Rajasthan. Hottest. It means the term hot explain about the degree of comparison. Here the first is positive degree, second is comparative degree, third is superlative degree. So let's find out about, so let's explanation about the three terms of degree of comparison given you. Now the first degree of comparison is that adjective have 3 degrees of comparison. Already I told you about this degree of comparison. Adjective have 3 degree of comparison. In the given example, the adjective hot is being discussed. Yes, the degree of comparison, the adjective hot term is being discussed about the 3 women, and the hot term first is hot and second is hot and third is hottest. So let's talk about the 3 degree of comparison. Here not giving you some right explanation about this term. I give you some good explanation about this and some exercise and some good definitions about this chapter. Now the first is positive degree. You know very well. If you have any queries beta, then you give me any drop a message in a group at a particular given a time, then you questioning. So first is for positive degree, which is focused only one noun. There is no comparison. Positive degree explain about the focus only one noun. Is there is no comparison between any other degrees. Here given the positive degree when no comparison, I already told you about that, when no comparison is being made, which is called positive degree. Now the second is that here first examples to give you about the positive degree. The pencil is long. Long is a positive degree. What? Positive degree. The room is dirty. Here the dirty is positive degree. Tina is cheerful. Cheerful is a positive degree, because there is no comparison to another noun. I am told you about the focus only one noun. There is only one noun beta. Only one noun. No another noun. The person, place, anything. The Tina is only one noun. Person, room is a place, one noun. Pencil, thing is a one noun. Here this sentence is talk about adjective which is positive degree, which is connected focus only one noun, is called positive degree. Now comes to the second comparative degree. Comparative degree when two persons, animals, things, and are compared. Animal, things, events are being compared, and events also are being compared. But here only one focus, only one noun. There is no any comparison to another person, animal, thing, and events also. There is no comparison to anyone else, to any one person, to another animal, things. But in the comparative degree, here two person, animals, things, events are compared to itself, to being itself. Okay, one or two syllable words plus er, using word plus er and ier. In comparative degree, two or more plus less or more. This is called comparative degree. We use than with the adjective to add here. If we can use than word, then you add er, add What is hotter? Here given you ER. Then we can use then. If you word use more adjective, we can use them in comparative degree. EIR. All of you understand? Here given you Belgium is more beautiful than Venice. So then given you more than Venice. Okay, beautiful. Here given you some another example to understand what is comparative degree. To understand very easily. Today is colder than yesterday. So cold, there is cold using ER, but then also using then. We use then with adjective, then add. I already told you we use ER, then if you add ER, then we use a word term, then you can add ER term. Then cold to colder term, which is comparative degree. Okay beta. Now the second question is that my grandfather older than me. Older than me. Here old is represented to older because using the term then. So we can add the ER term in this word old. So old term is explained about term older. This is called comparative degree. Here we come to the next and the last degree, which is superlative degree using EST term. So when more than 2%, when 2% here talking about the comparison degree, then 2%, but superlative degree, it's a super, means it's a more than 2% animals things are compared. More than things, more than 2%, 2 animals, more than 2% animals, more than 2 animals, more than things, more than events too. Here more than 2%, 2 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारी किसी का कंपेरिजन नहीं था. एक बार आई कैन रिपीट यू अगेन द डिग्रीज. फर्स्ट डिग्रीज इज दैट देयर इज ओनली फोकस वन नाउन. Here is no comparison to anyone else. There is no any people, any person, any animal, any event. Is called positive degree. Here the second is the comparative. And the comparative, there are 2 persons, only 2% animal, things and events are compared to itself and being are compared. So using the term ER and then per person more than 2. Here the 2%. But and the superlative degree when more than 2%. इसका comparison 2 persons के साथ था, 2 animals के साथ था, 2 things के साथ था या 2 किसी भी चीज़ के साथ था. ठीक है. Here we can explain about what is adjective to use the term, what is the describes about the noun. More describe the noun is called adjective. जो noun को describe करता है उसको हम adjective कहते हैं. ठीक है. तो the hottest is used in the superlative degree is more than 2%. Here 2 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, more than 2%, and 2 animals, more than 2 animals, more than 2 things are compared. Okay, which is superlative degree. Okay, in this we can add EST and add IEST. Okay, here given only one that, but you know also that add EST and add IEST also. At least, add most. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको लेस बताया था और मोर बताया था, लेकिन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में क्या है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा से हो सकते हैं, कम से कम या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. ये कम हो सकते हैं या तो ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये जितना भी हो सकता है कम से कम होंगे, लेकिन या तो फिर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होंगे. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ वी कैन एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द एग्जाम्पल्स. 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. The pencil is long. First is long. Now the second, the pencil, the marker, is longer using ER. Then also add. Then the pencil. First is positive degree. Second is comparative degree. Third is the ruler is the longest among the 3. longest, the term UEST, longest, which is called superlative degree. We use the with the adjective add est. The word use most to add the when we use them into superlative degree. Understand beta? All of you understand that what is positive degree, what is comparative degree, and what is superlative degree. Here we given you some examples which is biggest, and in superlative degree also some example is brightest, fastest, prettiest. प्रीटी का प्रीटेस्ट हो जाता है ना, देन यूज देखिए IST का यूज हुआ है. स्मॉलेस्ट, एक्सपेंसिव का मोर एक्सपेंसिव लग जाता है, मोर एक्सपेंसिव, मोर एक्सपेंसिव, मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया है मोर जब यूज होता है किसके साथ यूज होता है, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के साथ यूज होता है. ठीक है, लेस कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के साथ मोस्ट अगर हो जाए तो वो हमारा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हो जाता है. Here given you some, here the 3 degrees of comparison of some adjectives. First is brave, first positive, comparative and superlative. Brave, braver, bravest, braver. ठीक है, ये हमारा comparative degree होता है. superlative est ऐड हो जाता है. long, longer, longest. great, greater, greatest. young, younger, youngest. fast, faster, fastest. low, lower, lowest. intelligent. अब इस कुछ ऐसे टर्म होते हैं बेटा जिनको हम उस वर्ड में ES से नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करते. अब आप खुद सोचो, आप बोलने में क्या ये हमारा टर्म बन रहा है? इंटेलिजेंट, इंटेलिजर नहीं बन रहा है. तो कुछ वर्ड्स के लिए हमने क्या बताया था कि हम क्या यूज कर देते हैं, मोर लगाते हैं. द वर्ड मोर टू एडजेक्टिव व्हेन वी यूज देम इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. ये वर्ड हमारा हमें इस वर्ड को कंपैरेटिव बनाना है क्योंकि इंटेलिजेंट हमारा एडजेक्टिव है, कि उसमें क्या बताया है, क्वालिटी बताया है, उसकी क्वालिटी है. तो इस वर्ड को हमें क्या बताना है, कंपैरेटिव, इसका सुपरलेटिव. तो इसमें मोर लग जाता है और इसमें मोस्ट लग जाता है. इज दैट क्लियर बेटा? इसमें मोर लग जाता है, इसमें मोस्ट लग जाता है. ओके, सो हियर दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड. Now the chapter number 4 is totally completed. The explanation is completed today. Now in the next term, in the next class, we will do some exercises for notebook also to have to note down in your notebook. Then today will I give you some explanation to watch this video very carefully, to understand this video very carefully. And this is topic about its adjective. If you have any queries, then put up in group of class 3rd. So this chapter is completed. For explanation is completed. Thank you beta.